1. Did you know that the platypus has 10 sex chromosomes, 5 of each kind, unlike humans who have only 2? How do you think this complexity affects their reproduction? 2. The platypus is known for its electrolocation abilities, which help it sense prey in murky water. How do you think this unique ability compares to the senses of other animals? 3. The male platypus has a venomous spur on its hind foot. How do you think this venom is used in the wild, and what purpose does it serve? 4. When the platypus was first discovered in Australia in 1798, it caused quite a stir, with some even thinking it was a hoax. What do you think made people react this way to the platypus? 5. The platypus is often described as a mix of mammal, bird, and reptile. How do you think this unique combination of characteristics has helped the platypus survive and thrive in its environment? The platypus, also known as the duck-billed platypus, is a unique animal found in eastern Australia, including Tasmania. It is a mammal that lays eggs and is one of the only 5 types of monotremes, which are mammals that lay eggs instead of giving birth to live young. The platypus can sense prey in murky water using electrolocation and is one of the few venomous mammals, with the male platypus having a venomous spur on its hind foot. Fact 1. The duck-billed platypus, considered one of the strangest mammals in the world, has become the latest to have its genetic code sequenced, revealing it to be a bizarre mix of mammal, bird, and reptile, with very complex sexuality. While humans have 2 sex chromosomes, the X and Y, the platypus has 10, with 5 of each kind. Fact 2. An international team of scientists extracted DNA from a female platypus, named Glennie, reading all 2.2 billion pairs of her genetic letters. Thought to have begun to diverge from other mammals 170 years ago, the platypus has been regarded as the nearest thing biologists have to a missing link between the earliest reptiles and mammals. It has thick fur and produces milk for its young, yet the females lay eggs and the males produce venom, the only mammals to do so. Fact 4. When first discovered in Australia in 1798, the beaver-tailed animal caused such bemusement that the zoologist George Shaw declared it could well be a hoax. Fact 5. A study about them shows the platypus as both an evolutionary relic and pioneer. Chris Ponting, at the Medical Research Council's Functional Genomics Unit at Oxford University, said scientists had had the first chance to see if the platypus's weird appearance was reflected in its DNA. Lo and behold, we saw genes like those in lizards and birds, as well as some like those in other mammals. It has retained many genes other mammals lost from a time when all mammals looked much like lizards. Fact 6. Many of the animal's stranger characteristics are now thought to have evolved independently. The venom, which is released from the male's hind leg spurs, is thought to have developed late in the animal's history. And the remarkable electrosensitive bill, which helps the platypus hunt underwater while its eyes and ears are covered, appeared long after the platypus split from its reptilian ancestors. Fact 7. The fact that the animal has 5 X and 5 Y chromosomes is the weirdest thing about a very weird animal, said Ewan Birney, a co-author on the paper, based at the European Bioinformatics Institute, near Cambridge. In theory, it means there are 25 possible sexes, though in practice that doesn't happen.